So we got about 3 inches of rain the last few days. They've been cleaning up the spreaders, Adam and Mike. Mike and I have kind of been working at this disc spine. So we got these guards ripped off in the corners there. We're replacing all these turtles and the knives and all the bolts on the knives. Turned into quite the job. But she'll be ready to go for next year. Took a lot of abuse over the years. We did cut a lot of acres with this bad boy. Starting to show a little age, but we'll get her good as new for next year. You can see some of these guys are starting to get a little holes in them right there and there. Figured we'd go through and replace a bunch. Them things are like 400 bucks, so we'll see what we do with them. Hard to believe. They really get you on the parts. It's always amazing how much wear these knives take too. We switch them about every 300 acres or flip them. That one you can see is their junk. Here's a new one, nice and sharp. That's what they're supposed to look like. And that's what happens when you hit rocks and all kinds of other stuff. Just wears out. Don't really show much of the repairs because Adam is like a magician when it comes to repairing stuff. You get it looking better than new in no time. Usually the one breaking the stuff, to be honest. We're gonna put new fuel filters in this guy. Had issues with it stalling out on me a few times in the field. It's like it's lacking power. It's on the ripper. We borrowed it from one of our good buddies. This is the only red tractor we have on our farm. Just a good old Massey. It's a loader tractor. Everything else is green. See the mergers back there on the 7700 finisher disc. 2955 on our little round baler for when we do waterways. Got a tender wagon there. Great Plains drill. 6420. There's our blower. Use it once every 2 years. And here's our disc spine. So Adam and Michael took care of washing the other 3 spreaders. We just got our dad's left. It's on the 7610, so we're gonna go wash this up quick. It's about 40 degrees. It's a little chilly today, but we're gonna get her done so I don't have to worry about it the rest of the week. Check the oil first. Looks good. Got my handy dandy rain suit on. This is one job where you don't want to get too dirty when you're dealing with the shit on the spreader. Got the power washer out here. Just getting it set up. We're gonna set you guys on time lapse here quick. Here we go, we are done. I am covered in manure, but this tractor looks good. Just gonna get dirty again though, but it'll look good for a little while. The spreader is 2 years old, I believe. Turns 2 in December. An SL 118 Kuhn Night Slinger. The door's on the other side. Basically, there's 2 big augers in here that bring all the manure to the front over there on your left side. And there's 2 hydraulics. One of the hydraulics will open up this little gate here. That's kind of your wind flap. And there's a door here that the other hydraulic will open up. Works pretty slick, actually. We used to have a regular Kuhn 81-114, but axle broke off of that one, so Dad upgraded to this one. This works pretty good for bed pack, actually, too. They made this door a little bigger and added a few more hammers, so it works pretty slick for bed pack now, too. You can see the paint wears off because the winter time we're always scraping it off, all the extra manure, so it doesn't freeze. So up top there and by the door is the only places the paint's really worn off. All in all, it's a real great spreader. Works perfect for sand-laden manure. Normally it would have the 6715 on it, but that wouldn't pull it out of the pit, up the ramp of the pit over there. So got this guy on it. You hate getting the nice ones dirty, but sometimes you need that extra horsepower. 4-wheel drive never hurts too. We'll leave it on until springtime, then we'll put the 67 back on her. This is the manure pit here at the farm. We hosed out almost 4 million gallons. Then we clean the solids out of the bottom. If you go back and look at the previous videos, there's videos showing how we do that. You can see there's a few cows up there grazing still. Grazing season's just about over. The grass just ain't growing much anymore. It's getting a little chilly out here too some nights. The reason we have to clean the solids out of here is because eventually they'll build up over those pipes over there. Then the pump will get backed up. There's a pump that pumps it down from the barn up there. Then it comes in here and we collect it and put it on our fields to fertilize. You get a few questions once in a while asking if the sand is bad for the soil. It really just depends on your soil type. It'll help the clay soils out. It'll improve the drainage. And it's not like we're putting pure sand on the ground either. There's still a good amount of nutrients in the manure that we're putting on our fields, and that'll help the next crop grow. So that's just a little rundown of how we deal with manure here. So here is our cover crop. We have some radishes. You can see they're about 4 inches into the ground right now. Hoping they keep growing, break up this compaction in here. Plus we gotta rip it with this. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you're new and you want to see more of what goes on around here at the farm, be sure to subscribe to the channel so that way you don't miss out on our future videos. And if this isn't your first time at the channel, drop me a comment down below stating what you do for a living and where you're from maybe, and that way I can get to know you a little better too. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.